Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a brave princess named Emily. She was not like other princesses. Emily loved adventures, and she was always looking for a way to help her people. One day, a terrible dragon came to the kingdom. The dragon stole gold from the people and scared everyone in the land. The king, Emily's father, was very worried. The only way to stop the dragon is with the magic sword, the king said. But the sword is lost in the dark forest. Who will find it? All the knights in the kingdom were afraid. Nobody wanted to go to the dark forest where strange creatures lived. But Princess Emily was not afraid. "I will go and find the magic sword," she said bravely. So Emily rode her horse into the dark forest. The trees were tall, and the forest was very dark. Strange noises filled the air, but Emily was determined to find the sword. After many hours, she saw a bright light. There, in the middle of the forest, was the magic sword. It was shining like the sun. Emily took the sword and smiled. But suddenly the dragon appeared. "You cannot stop me," roared the dragon. "I am not afraid of you," said Emily. She held the sword high, and the magic light shone brighter and brighter. The dragon closed its eyes, blinded by the light. With one quick move, Emily defeated the dragon, and it flew far, far away, never to return. The kingdom was safe again, and everyone celebrated Princess Emily's bravery. The king was very proud of his daughter, and the people loved her even more. From that day on, Princess Emily became the greatest hero in the kingdom, not because of the magic sword, but because of her courage and kindness.